back. I'm JJ, and we're here for another Speaking Out Loud session. Now, what I want to do, I want to get right into it because we have a lot to cover. The speaking exam question that we spoke about last week, and I want to thank Geraldine from Martinique. She sent in her answer. It was excellent. Thank you so much, Geraldine. And I hope the feedback that I sent you will help you a lot. Also, we're going to talk about the TH words. And I know those are a little bit harder because it's not a sound that a lot of languages use. So in America, we have had time to have practice because we use it a lot, evidently. So also, we're going to talk about some warm-up questions, and we're going to present another question from the speaking exam that you might encounter if that's your goal. But first, I want to tell you, in the beginning of the video, it says, keep swimming, keep going, don't give up. What that means is that you have the support of the Speaking Out Loud community. Keep going, keep moving, keep practicing. 15 minutes a day, you will do well. Also, if you have time, sit down, turn on the video, and close your eyes and repeat. That's all you have to do. Now, another question someone asked me this week was, what does it mean when someone says, I've got your back? That's a big expression people use in the movies. They also use it a lot among friends. Why? Because it means I'm here to support you. It means whatever happens, I will help you. And that's what I want you to know. The purpose of this video is to let you know I've got your back. I'm going to support you through your pronunciation practices. Also, the video is there and you can watch it whenever you want to watch it. Rewind it. Play a little in the morning or listen to it at night before you go to bed. But please, speak out loud, practice, talk. If you're not practicing on Cambly, which is a fabulous website for practice, then quite possibly a great place to practice is Cambly. I hope to one day see you on the Cambly line practicing your English through conversation or just by doing some lessons with a Cambly tutor. Okay, first of all, we want to go over the question that we had last week from the speaking exam. What are your usual habits when you are online? A great answer would be, I can't imagine my life without my smartphone. The convenience is amazing. I always carry my phone during work. I search for work-related information and send it to clients and customers. My phone comes in handy when I need to translate while working with foreign customers. After work, I enjoy watching YouTube to learn new things or to relax. I can't leave out how helpful my phone is when I'm shopping online or trying to find a great new restaurant for my family. A great thing when you are answering those speaking questions is to include yourself so that the answer is more personal and you feel better when you are reading. it's great to add something personal into those questions because you feel better. You feel calm. It's your answer. And so that's an awesome part of being able to take the test, because what you can do when you're taking the test is you're talking about yourself. And if you don't have that experience, quite possibly you can ask a friend, and that friend can help you with that question, because it's so much better when those questions are personal, they're deep, and they're from you. You're going to have a smooth brain pattern. You're going to be able to speak better just because those questions are personal and they do mean something to you. Okay, so we're going to move on to our TH words. Friends, let's conquer. With the TH sound, you want your tongue between your teeth, and then you want to gently blow the air out. So that's a way that you're really going to help yourself. And so it might not be comfortable at first. In fact, it's not comfortable at first. I know that. But sometimes you're in your home by yourself. Maybe you're in the car and you're thinking about building up that muscle memory of the TH sound. And so you'll be able to, like a snake. Practice gently blowing out the sound through your teeth. I know it's very frustrating, and that does seem a little crazy, but the more you practice, the better you will get, I promise. And I do it too. Sometimes when we're practicing, we do the exercises. Because it's not a natural sound, you will need to do a little bit more to develop that sound. So as you are practicing being a snake, recognize that everyone has done it. Take a little time to practice and then let's get going on some words. Okay, the first word is throw. Throw. Do you see those muscles shaping? Throw. Okay? So when you're saying that word, you want to make sure that you feel those muscles moving, okay? Our next word, think. 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 Okay, is it getting better? I know sometimes it feels weird, but it'll get better. Okay. They. Now, here's one that sometimes is very hard, but once again, it's one of the words that we do have to practice a lot. But that's okay. That's why I want to do it here, because you're home. You're speaking out loud home. Now you can practice thought. What you're doing here, you've got, and then you're dropping your jaw, thought, and bringing it back up. Thought. Very good. Practice makes perfect. Okay, let's move on. What I would like to do is move that TH to the middle and the end of some of your words so that you can practice more with moving the TH around. It gets a little complicated. Once again, I've got your back. and we're here to practice, okay? Leather, leather. And you see how those muscles went from there to leather, leather. And you almost don't feel the wind coming out, okay? That gentle wind, it's most of the time in the beginning. So you have that gentle wind. Leather, okay? Moving on. Mother, mother. Very nice practice. You're beginning with your lips together. Mother. Nice. Breathe. Breathe. Before you start practicing English, you may need to breathe. Very important. Do some breathing to calm down, get your brain relaxed, and recognize you can do it. Okay? Last one, north. Now that's a little bit harder. North, because it's the end, the ending sound. North. You will also hear it in south. South. North. South. Okay, very nice. Let's do some warm-up sentences, okay? You ready? You might need to take a drink of water. Practicing English, building that muscle memory can be hard. Okay, and now we're going to do some shadowing. I'm going to say a sentence, and I hope that you will also. Remember, this video is called Speaking Out Loud. Okay, sentence number 1. Throw me the ball. Throw me the ball. Throw me the ball. Exciting time. Number 2, think about our next vacation. Think about our next vacation. Who doesn't want to think about their next vacation? I do. They believe I'm ready. They believe I'm ready. Your pronunciation is good. They believe you're ready. Let's go to the next step, okay? I thought about your offer. Your boss comes in, he offers you something better. I thought about your offer. Maybe someone wants to buy something from you. I thought about your offer. Very useful sentence in many places. Is this coat leather? Is this coat leather? Is this coat leather? Okay, let's keep going. My mother is here for dinner. My mother is here for dinner. My mother is here for dinner. Excellent. Let's keep going. Can you breathe underwater? Question. Can you breathe underwater? Good question. Can you breathe underwater? We will go north in July. we will go north in July. We will go north in July. Very exciting. Okay, now, once again, love having the video because you can stop the video, practice, look at the video more. It's a great opportunity for you to practice a little bit more. Okay, it's time for the next question. I was asked by someone to help them with the speaking question. Tell me, what do you like to eat on vacation? What do you like to eat while on vacation? Another personal question, a great opportunity. What do you like to eat while on vacation? Again, what do you like to eat while on vacation? Okay, friends, once again, I would like to say thank you. I appreciate you being here. I want to let you know that learning English is very close to my heart. I hope that you will tap into Cambly and see exactly how far it can take you. As well, I hope that you will practice your English by speaking and taking the chance to speak out loud, which is going to help you gain confidence. It's going to help you to get better. And please, please email me. Send me those questions. If you would like to answer the question that we were talking about, I would love to look at it. But also, if you have another question that you're having a hard time answering, let's ask the Speaking Out Loud community, and we can try and do it together. Once again, thank you, and I'll see you next week, Speaking Out Loud. Have a great day.